Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a discount code in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your dashboard on Shopify. Next, click Discounts on the left menu. Then click the Create Discount button. Choose discount code, then enter the code name that customers will use, such as Save 10. And after that, select the discount type like percentage discount, fixed amount, or free shipping. Next, set the value of the discount and choose whether it applies to all products, specific collections, or specific items. You can also set usage limits and expiration dates if needed. Once everything is set, click Save to activate the discount code. And that's it. That's how you create a discount code in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.